Before going to the production area, different parts, ejector pins, guide pins, runners of the mold have to be well and carefully lubricated in order to assure its efficiency in production. Conventional wet lubricants tend to drip on the mold cavities or even on the molded parts, provoking rejected finished products, and production stops in order to clean the contaminated parts. With Interflon Fin Grease NSF H1, molds can be lubricated with just one product for all parts, leaving a steady mic pole film, avoiding dripping. The mold stays cleaner and lubricated for a much longer time. No more rejection and less production stops to clean and re-lubricate. For small molds, Interflon Lube TF or Interflon Food Lube NSF H1 can do the job, providing a dry mic pole film. These products can also be used as an anti-corrosive agent when stocking molds without having to clean them afterwards, and as a release agent, in particular for molds with holes and crevices, saving 2 or 3 other products.